All right, class, this is the second part of comparing and ordering rational numbers. Going to finish up with 9 and 10 here. All right, so for number 9, it says the numbers 14 fourths, negative 3 and 4 tenths, 6, and negative 2 and 5 tenths, or 2.5, negative 2.5, represents the percentage of change in populations for 4 states. List these numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay? So we need to list these 4 numbers, these rational numbers, in order from least to greatest. Okay, so let's look at this first one right here. 14 over 4. All right? So let's go ahead and change that to a decimal so that we can graph it on the line here. So 4 will go into 14 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract out, get a 2. So 2 is now your numerator, 4 is now your denominator. This simplifies to 3 and 1/2. So 3 and 1/2 goes between the 3 and the 4. So we'll put a point right here and we'll label that 3 and 1/2. Actually, we don't want to label it 3 and 1/2. We want to label it with the original rational number, which is 14 fourths. Okay? All right, negative 3.4. Well, here's negative 3, and here's negative 4. Okay? So right here in the middle is negative 3.5. So negative 3.4 is going to be a little bit to the right of that. So let's make a point right here and label that negative 3.4. 6 is this tick line right here. So that's 6. And then negative 2.5 is going to be between negative 2 and negative 3, halfway there, because 0.5 is 5 tenths, which is 1/2. So this here is negative 2.5. So that's how you would order these from least to greatest on a number line. Okay, let's have you do number 10 on your own. Read the question. Underline key information, read it again with your close reading that you were taught last year, and then graph it on the number line. Okay, the numbers 7/2, 3, negative 2.2, negative 3.9 represents the percentage of change in populations for 4 states. List these numbers in order from least to greatest on the number line. Okay, so let's look at 7/2. 7/2, which is improper because your numerator is larger than your denominator. When you convert that to a mixed number or simplify it, you get 3.5, 3.5. So 3.5 is between 3 and 4. Make sure you go back to the original rational number, which is 7/2. 3 is right here on this tick line. Negative 2.2 is a little bit to the left of negative 2. Negative 3.9 is just a little bit to the right of negative 4. And I believe that's it, class, and it is. And the sub will let you know what you need to do next. Have a good day.